Hey there, I'm Daniel, and today we're going to attempt to install a Strut Tower Brace. So let's get started. So what I decided to do is install a Strut Tower Brace on my 2016 Chrysler 200. Now, I found one from Modern Performance and I bought the kit that fits on a Dodge Dart. Now, the Dodge Dart and the 200 are very similar. Now, if you have a Mustang or a Challenger or any of the other popular cars out there, they have very specific and they have a lot of parts available. But us 200 guys have to look around and see what fits our application. Now, I found one for a Dart, but Modern Performance makes a second one for their smaller engine. I like that one a little bit better, just because it looks better. It's supposedly a little bit more rigid as well, but I may not be able to get it in this car, so I got two of them. Let's open it up and let's see what we got. All right, now that they're both unpacked, let's take a look and see what they look like. All right, so here we got the two Strut Tower braces. The one for the 1.4 liter engine, the turbo engine, is very thick and it's supposed to be a lot more rigid. And looking by the design and how big it is, it probably is. But the other one will fit on the 200. I've seen a few people doing it already. Even their website shows that it will fit a 200, but there's not really a category. You still have to look under the Dart section. So nonetheless, we're going to try to install the big one anyways, and hopefully it will fit because I love the way it looks so much better than the other one. So let's get to it. you might ask, why do you need a strut tower brace? Many vehicles use a McPherson strut system, and it is a fairly inexpensive system to design. However, it introduces a lot of chassis flex. Now, by putting a strut tower brace or strut tower, strut brace, whatever the kids call it nowadays, you rigidize it a little bit more. With the strut tower brace, the vehicle becomes more nimble, more responsive. So when you go into corners, the frame is a lot more tighter, it will corner a little bit better. And this is what I experienced with my buddy up in Michigan, who has one on his cars, and it's just amazing how stiff the car suddenly feels. It is hard to notice chassis flex if you're not paying attention. Years ago, I had a Chrysler Sebring convertible, and every time we went up into a little off-ramp into a gas station or fast food restaurant, you could actually see the whole frame flex, because the convertible just doesn't have anything on top to hold it together. So by putting a strut tower brace in, that will help. It won't eliminate it, but it will help make things a little bit more rigid, therefore performing a little bit better. So the strut tower brace is designed to unify the two suspension parts. Now you can use it in conjunction with sway bars, giving you even more performance. Now on my car, I don't think there's any other sway bars out there, but most other cars, performance cars, Mustangs, Camaros, Challengers, there's a big aftermarket scene, and you can do the strut tower brace and the sway bars, just making the car a lot more rigid. So when you get on a track or just feel like driving a little bit more performance oriented on an up ramp, the car will corner a lot flatter instead of flexing left and right too much. If you're concerned about body roll, a sway bar will actually do a better job in reducing body roll than a strut tower brace. So with all that being said, let's go back and finish the installation. All right, let's do this again. Let's try. Let's try. Yeah, this one is definitely a different size. You in? No, you gotta get. There you go. Yeah, we're off by.
Ow.
You okay? Are you in?
Yeah, I'm fine. No.
All right.
Okay, now I'm in.
You're in?
Yeah.
All right, we're off by the tiniest of bits.
How are you gonna make it fit?
Can't believe it's in. I can't believe it's in. Make sure. Okay. We gotta cut this down now. Okay, well, it works. So there you go. It was a little bit harder than on a Dart, but we managed to fit it. And not only did we fit it, I got the wide one to fit, which everybody said it's not gonna work. I'm gonna shoot an email over to Modern Performance, let them know that it does work. Hopefully they check out my video, and maybe they include us 200 guys also on their website, so we know where to get it. I will definitely link where you can get it, both of them, both versions, on their website. So go check it out, and until next time, take care.